Strategies management. Phase 2 proposes strategies to create value. Present by Oscar Camilo Rodriguez, group number 8, April of 2020. Uber general description. Uber Technology Incorporation is a U.S. company that provides its customers with international transport vehicles with driver through its mobile application software, which connects passengers with drive its vehicles registered in service with over as transportation service to individuals. The company organizes collections in hundreds of cities around the world and is based in San Francisco, California, USA. Description of the problem faced by Uber. Uber points out that its business model is to have a technology platform that serves and the intermediary between users who have a need for mobility and repeat partners who see an opportunity for service deployment and expertise through technology. This model allows drivers to provide independent service and decide how to manage and control their activity, their time, income, defer, and its employment relationship with the driving partners and therefore the company is not obligated to pay in the salary, the social, the benefits, or assuming the risks relative on their work, which is illegal. The several countries around the world at its in considered a transport service provider. The causes of the problem Uber faced are 1. Their tax advantage of the need for employment in different countries to establish their business model and to have a large number of registered drivers and existing carriage. 2. They are unaware of the labor regulation of each country, pointing on there is not labor lane between the company and drivers. 3. There are unaware of the regulation in each country on companies that provide transport service. 4. They promote informal work in countries where the costs associated with health, pension, impossible risks associated with work must be assumed by the state. 5. They do meet the needs of drivers we have needed help in various situations present in the provision of their service and Uber Drive. 6. People whose income depends solely on the provision of the service as Uber driving partner on projects in causes that cannot with the health problem family calamity desiderates or an situation that might arise. 7. Are needs and disposition of the elements required for the provision of the service arranged by the right without the endorsement of Uber. A. The demand complies for the drive under certain parameters but do not reconcile them as workers. Consequence of the problem faced by Uber. 1. Loss of credibility by the driver partners. 2. Legal problems in different countries of the world that have asked Uber to reconcile their drive on workers to continue operate. 3. Legal problems in different countries of the world for not advancing the pertinent procedures to operate as transport company. 4. Difficulty in the operation. 5. Increased competition that adopts the same business model with a higher percentage of profit for the driving partner. Thank you.